Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Is it everything fine? Hope everything is fine with you people. Now, today we'll be having for standard 7 English grammar portion for unit 1. Okay? This grammar portion is very much simple. This grammar portion for you is homophones, hononymous, and syllable. Okay? Homophones. Homophones are nothing but words that sound the same but have different spellings and meanings and spellings. Okay? The word may be with the same sound but meaning will be different and the spelling will also be different from one another. Okay? That is called as homophones. Very, very simple. For example, here you have pair. Okay? And socks. A pair of socks. Pair and this also pair, but the meaning is different, spelling also different, but the sound is the same. Night. This is the night, moonlight and night. I have told you in Don Quixote lesson, no, in Adventures of Don Quixote, night. And this is the night and this will be the night. Same sound, but with a different meaning and spelling. Okay. Let's see some other thing. Homophones. Vocabulary, homophone cards. For example, hair, hair. Sea, sea. That is the blue sea. This is a sea. Scent, scent. Right, right. See, same sound but different meaning. Things are also different from one another, isn't it? Yes. Homophones. A homophone is a word that sounds the same as another word or words but has a different meaning and spelling. Okay. For example, we have given you so many examples. You can read it off and get it off the points. Homophones. Two or more words that sound the same but are spelled differently and have different meaning too. Pair, pair, both. A pair of pairs. We have two pairs, isn't it? That is why we are telling this is a pair of pairs. Homophones. Then this is the same activity that you have to do for activity 4. Okay. This is your activity number 4 for unit 1, term 2. Okay. Homophones. And this is the same thing you have to do it in your textbook. Activity notebook. I'll be checking and giving marks to you. If you have submitted your activity notebook, then only you will be getting your internal marks. Okay, the same thing you have to draw in your activity notebook. No need of changing or no need of thinking on any other thing, but with the same thing. Okay, this is the only spelling that you have to write. Okay, ma? Homophones. Homo means same. Phone means sound. Homophones must sound the same, but they are spelled differently and have different meaning also. I hope my sister is right. She should write a letter. Right is right. Right means as letter to him. Sound the same, spell differently, different meaning also. Why did you do there? I don't want their new number. He said they're going to be gone all month. Sound the same, spell differently, different meaning also. Okay, now see, this is the sun and this is the sun. Words that sound alike but have different meaning and different spelling. Same thing, ma. You can also easily identify those homophones. Now, coming to the point, next one is homonyms. Homonym is a word pronounced the same as another but different in meaning, whether spelled the same or not. For example, homonyms are spelled the same. Okay, same spelling. Spelling will be the same. Okay. Way but different in meaning. Meaning also different but same sound. Okay. 8. This is 8. Bear. This is the bear. Bee. Beat. Boy. Break. Sell. Scent. Chilli. Isn't it? the same sounds, but spelling different. Now, homophones and homonyms, same words, okay? These are all the differentiate between homophones and homonym. If the two words sounds the same, mean different things but are spelled differently, called as homophones, okay? Right. For example, right, right. Now, if the two words sounds the same, mean different but spells are also the same. For examples, that is called as homonym. For example, fine, fine. For like this, fine means I am fine. That is also fine only. Same spelling, F-I-N-E, fine. If you are late to the school, you have to pay fine, 5 rupees. That is also fine, F-I-N-E. But different meaning. You can get my point, isn't it? Say different meaning. Sometimes that happen and that is called as homonyms. Okay, ma? Now, let's go to what is syllable. A syllable is a word part and the basic unit of English rhythm. English words can have 1, 2, 3 or even more syllables. In the word drive away, there are 2 syllables. In the sentence drive him away, there are 4 syllables. Okay, for example, you have to split the word. Okay, syllable is a unit of pronunciation having one vowel sound with or without surrounding consonant, forming the whole or a part of a word. For example, there are 2 syllables in water. Okay, for example, see, and this is how you have to cut the syllables. Banana, banana. Each syllable when you cut, you have to find it out whether it has a vowel. Okay. Water, melon. So watermelon has 4 syllables. Banana has 3 syllables. Bike, bike has 1 syllable. Okay. For example, seat, 1 syllable. Exam, 1 syllable. Paper, 2 syllable. Okay. Room, 1 syllable. Okay. Like this you have to split the words. And now let's see book back answers for homophones, homonyms and syllable. Okay. Homophones are nothing but 2 words that are spelled differently but have the same sound. Okay. Explain the different words. See or see. Can you see the birds flying over the sea? See, see. Same spelling, same sound but different meaning, isn't it? Night, night. Yesterday night, I saw a knight riding on a horse. Right, right. Write the address on the right side of the page. Arms, arms. She stretched her arm to receive alms. Fair, fair. The auto fare was not fair. Here, here. I can hear the roaring sound of a lion from here. Heard, heard. The herd of a cattle heard the rattling sound of the branches. Hard. It takes 1 hour to reach our destination. No, no. No one knows about this matter. Not. The knot is not tight. Okay, homonyms are spelled the same way but differ in meaning. For example, wound, injury. Wound, past tense of wind. Okay. Next one. There is a fair arts and crafts fair this weekend. Fair means good. Fair, competition, expo, book expo. You can know, right? The woodcutter saw a huge saw in his dream. Saw, past tense of see. Saw means tool of cutting wood. Write the correct answer on the right side. Right, correct. Right means direction also. Okay, the well was dug by a well-known king. Well, a deep hole that is dug to get water. Well, famous. See the difference meaning, but spellings are same, words are same, but different meaning. March, walking in the military manner. March, 3rd month of the year. Can you get me a can? Can means a modal verb requesting permission. Can, a vessel. How long will the fish live without water? Live, live, living and not living. Live means remain alive. She has tears in her eyes as she tears old photos. I will be second in line in front for one more second. Second number of sequence, second means duration of time. Okay, and for syllable we have to pronounce like this: adventures. See, adventure you have 3 syllable: adventure. Courageous, courageous, 3 syllable. Incredible, incredible. Okay, 4 syllables. Night, 1 syllable. You cannot split the word. Okay, hilarious, hilarious. Okay, 4 syllable. Excitement, excitement, 3 syllable. Peasant, 2 syllable. Peasant, 2 syllables. Okay, in this also is the same thing. Listen to the teacher, and this is your activity that you have to write. Okay, for your own thing. Okay, like water activities. If your campsite is near a water body, then can you do aqua? And this is your activity that you have to write it in your book. Okay, write it in the pencil, don't write it in the pen. Okay, don't scribble and write it on the book, please. And this you have to write it in your classwork also. I'll be uploading this this PDF in the web page on Thursday, so that you can see and write it in. Okay, write it in your classwork and submit it on Monday. In this I'll be giving one activity also, like homophones. I'll be uploading that in the PDF form also. So see that and draw the same in your activity notebook. Okay, without fail. I should say each one of you to come and submit it the activity notebook. Okay, ma, this is your reading conversation in your book that you have to read and write the answers given below, and ask the student to tell a story. Okay, for example, in this whatever you can select, we have selected a funny story about my friend. Okay, this is a story that you have to write about your friend. This you can copy down, but still I want each one of you to write on it on your own words. You can copy this, but you can copy this in your classwork, no issues. Okay, next one, solve the crossword puzzle using the superlative adjectives. Do you know what is the superlative adjectives? Okay, this we have, this you can see in the newspaper also. If you are free, you can search this in your newspaper and find it out, the puzzles. This will be very like brain trimming puzzles, which you can make it as an exercise for your brain. Okay, this will be very easier and interesting also. Write a paragraph comparing Don Quixote and Sancho Panza using these words. Okay, comparison. Thank you. Write it on your classwork.